Like for example, I was working out. Why at first we used past simple, then past continuous, then past perfect.
That's actually our grammar rule for today. Lucy, please read our objective.
Listen to an audio track and answer 3 questions. Use the past perfect and simple past to make up one story. Use the new words to write a situation for them.
Guys, have you ever been stolen before? Someone stole something from you?
Yeah, my friend stole my pencil.
But I want something serious, like something big that was not just a pencil. Yes, Rachel, I see you so involved.
Because our class is also like stealing everything in the class. Like they saw always our class, not just me, all our class. They got every single day they got actually 3 things stolen from 3 girls or something.
Now, please, guys, I need you to read these 3 questions. Abdurrahman, please read them for us.
What was stolen from Brian? Where did Brian put his stuff? Did he lose much money?
So we're gonna listen to the audio and then you're gonna answer those 3 questions.
Guess what? Someone stole my wallet last night.
Oh no! What happened?
Well, I was working out and I had put my stuff in my locker, just like I always do. When I came back, someone had stolen my wallet. I guess I'd forgotten to lock the locker.
That's terrible. Did you lose much money?
Only about $15, but I lost my credit card and my driver's license.
Rachel, please, what was stolen? You, Sarah, where did he put his stuff?
He put it in the locker, but he forgot to lock it.
Qassem, did he lose much money?
No, only $15.
And I want you to find 2 actions that happened in the past.
Do a sentence with past simple. I lost my credit card and my driver's license. Like for example, I was working out. Why at first we used past simple, then past continuous, then past perfect.
That's actually our grammar rule for today. Okay, guys, so here we have our rule in the book. Let's start by reading it. Go. So, Zina, please read for us the rule.
Use the past perfect for an
Event
that occurred for another event in the past. Past event, I was working out. When I came back, they were able to steal it. Past perfect events, and I had put my stuff in my locker. Someone has stolen my wallet because I had forgotten to lock the locker.
So, in the first sentence, Lojain, what happened first? Him working out, or did he put his stuff in the locker first?
He put his into the locker.
What did we use for the first action in the past? The one that happened first?
Past perfect.
Well done. Had and past participle. This is the past perfect. Rachel, what about the second sentence? Can you tell me what happened first?
I think someone had stolen my wallet, then I came back.
Well done. Good job. Exactly. That's what happened.
I don't know why it is the opposite. But I know that how he will come back and he will see who stolen it.
Yes. So it was already stolen when he came back, Rachel. It wasn't there. And what about the third sentence, Sarah? Can you explain to us the sequence? What happened first?
He had forgotten to lock his locker, then
Exactly. Because he wouldn't be able to steal it if he locked the locker. When I came back, someone had stolen my wallet. So what happened first?
Someone stole my wallet, then I came back.
This is past simple. The thing that happened after the first thing. You were doing 2 things. So for example, Lojain can say, when I came home, my mom had already cooked lunch.
Teacher, example. When I came back, Mom had already planned a party.
Well done, good job. Had planned a birthday party. So she planned your birthday party a time ago.
Yeah.
And then you came and you found out you have a birthday party. So this is what we use the rule for.
I got it now. When I came home, after my mom had already planned my birthday party, this is the past perfect.
Join us now, Monglish Academy.